Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the phone off to avoid shorts. Once powered down, remove SIM and SD cards. That keeps the tray from catching when you open the frame. Use a small Phillips and a plastic spudger to remove back or screen clips. Pry gently so you don't crack plastics. Make sure to keep screws organized. Use a magnifier and a 1/2mm brush to clean visible debris in and around the port before deeper disassembly. This prevents damage when you later manipulate the connector. You now remove the port assembly or flex cable, paying attention to orientation and the exact screw sequence so reassembly is straightforward. Visually inspect the solder joints. Shaky movement often means cold solder or broken pads. If contacts look bent, straighten with a plastic tool. If solder is cracked, resolder with a fine tip iron at low heat, apply flux, then a tiny bead of solder, and cool. Once stable, secure the port with a small strip of high-temperature adhesive tape so it can reassemble in reverse. Reconnect the flex, tighten screws snugly but not over-torqued, then reconnect the battery. Boot the phone and plug in the original cable to test charge detection. Make sure you use a known good charger at 5V1A to rule out charger issues. If the port still feels loose, verify the replacement port seat and solder joints. If those fail, replace the entire port assembly or consult a solder-level technician. One troubleshooting tip: if intermittent charging occurs, recheck grounding and inspect for hidden debris.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.